right here is probably about 10 years old. Nothing wrong with the flooring. There's some imperfections in it. There's ways to fix it. Currently right now, right here, we got it fixed. It's like a compressed cardboard material. It's not the best. However, I'm not gonna be able to find this at Lowe's or Home Depot for matching. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna show you a little trick on how we can fix this. And that way we don't have to buy another transition piece from the store. It's not gonna match the line of this floor. A lot of times I don't get it on flooring itself. On the marketplace, they don't carry it that long. I don't know why, they switch it out all the time. It's aggravating. Transition pieces, they are expensive. Quit. So I need some tools for this flooring job. We're gonna be using some caulk, some tape. Thanks, buddy. And maybe a tape measure. I'm not sure. So with this one, the only thing I have to do is line up these corners. So I got this corner here, they don't line up here. We're good. So I don't need a tape measure, I don't need a marker. Cut on the tip. So not a very big cut on the tip. You always want to go less than more. You can always add to it. It's harder to take away. Now when you apply your caulk, you can go that way, but you'll see how thin of a, how thin. I want it to go thin. So what you do is you do the opposite tip. Now you're gonna see a nice ball. So that way, when I put it down, it's gonna have enough to get into the material. Remember, not like this. That's not good. I'm gonna go up, exact opposite of what you probably think. Now typically, there's that little groove right here. There's a piece of material here that snaps into this, which is what broke off. Now, it doesn't need to be there. You'll notice that I caulked it on this part and then the tile part, because this here is stationary, the tile is, then this here is stationary. This floor is designed to move, so you don't want to caulk it on that side. So, no caulk right here. You just want to caulk here and here. And that's it. Now, because we put a nice thick bead of caulk on there, we're not going to have any bonding issues, and I know that when I put that on there, it felt really good, so I know it's going to tape really good. Now, but if you want, you can always put some tape on it. That's our episode. Thanks for watching. Just use the bucket and the bucket will be fine. We're gonna put some downward pressure on it and it'll dry up and set up nicely. We'll probably pull it tomorrow afternoon and we'll be good. Goodbye, baby. Goodbye. Goodbye, It's not working out. Quick.